Alright, in this video we're going to show you my boys Infiniti G35. Now this car is tuned, they got a dyno tune on it. So it has arc downpipes, catback Motordyne exhaust, and cold air intake. And yeah, we're gonna see some flames. Alright, so we're going for a little bit of drive right now. We're gonna do some side-by-side shots. We're gonna try seeing some flames. He's gonna do a launch control and two-step. And it's a naturally aspirated motor, so let's check it out.
Oh my gosh, step brother, this makes his Benz look like a piece of garbage.
Holy shit! so yeah, this was a G35. So okay, this has a tune on it. Yo, Manny, what tune is it? What?
It's tuned on UpRev.
Okay, why? You want to explain?
Yeah, so it's tuned on UpRev software. So that's for all like Infiniti, Nissans. You know, this is the software that we use to tune on G35, G37s, 370Zs, and 350Zs as well. So it's a very good. You know, you get a lot of stuff. You get launch control. You get the your tuner. Depending on your tuner, you'll get a flame map, which I have, and also you get some burble, some crackle, some pops, a full power mode, and also valet, also security, like you can shut the car off, no one can start the car. It's called like a kill switch. And the other map I have is also low octane, so you can have an eco mode kinda. So I'm tuned on 94 octane, which is not bad. You can do 94 if you want. I can go up in the petroleum anytime I want, but I can't go lower.
Yeah.
So I'm at 91 right now. If I put 94, I have to stay at 94. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, same with my tune.
Yeah.
Stop it, stepbrother. Too much information.
Alright, so yeah, that was the video. We have a POV of him driving the car. You guys seen the flames as well. So yeah, that was it for the G35. If you guys liked the video, please comment, like, subscribe, and watch our future videos.